How to pay Lazada using Touch and Go e-wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay Lazada using Touch and Go e-wallet. Start by downloading the Touch and Go e-wallet app on your mobile phone. Make sure your e-wallet has enough balance to cover your purchase. You can top up your balance if needed. When you're ready to check out, look for the payment method section. Click on View All Methods to see all available options. Choose the Touch and Go e-wallet option from the list of payment methods. Then click on Confirm Selection to proceed. Go to your Lazada account settings and find the Payment Options section. Look for the option to link your Touch and Go e-wallet. Read through the terms and conditions carefully, then check the box to agree. Once done, proceed to verify your account. You will receive an OTP sent to your phone number. Enter the OTP to complete the verification process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.